Hey guys, I'm Shubham, UX designer at Symentix. On this channel, I'm going to tell you some tips, tricks and tutorials of designing. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can remove the background of image in Figma. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So let's get started. First of all, you have to just click on the plugins and click here and now search here remove bg and you have to select this icon and click on this. Now run and click on set API key. Okay, so when we click on this remove.bg, so we are going on this website remove.bg. Okay, so now you have to just sign up here. I'm signing up with my Gmail directly. Click on agree and notify if you want. Skip all these things and go to the my accounts and just click on the API keys, new API key, and just create a API key and copy this key here and save changes. Okay, now you have to go back to the Figma and paste your key here and save, and your API is set. Now you have to just right click, go plugins and unsplash. If you like to know how to add free high resolution image in Figma, so reach my previous video. On that video, I'm going to tell you the entire process of this unsplash. Link is given in description section. Now you have to search your image type here, and also you can select from this suggestions. I am just selecting this food and just drag drop your image. Now you have to just select the image, right click, plugins, remove bg and run. Wait for a few seconds. Now look, the background is entirely removed of this image. If you like this video, please do subscribe and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.